Thank you so much for visiting NTT Advanced Technologies booth today. In this booth, we are happy to introduce you to the condensation prevention sheet G-Breathe, which can prevent your devices from failure caused by condensation problems. In outdoor installed cabinets, such as for communication system equipment and electric power system equipment, differences in temperature with the open air can lead to condensation, which causes troubles such as breakdown due to poor insulation in equipment or corrosion of the base material, etc. The three outstanding features we will be explaining to you here enable the condensation prevention sheet G-Breathe to prevent condensation buildup in a wide variety of equipment and devices over long time periods, preventing these types of trouble caused by condensation problems. Because it protects from condensation, G-Breathe can also relieve the necessity of frequent checks and the amount of troubleshooting operations caused from these types of problems. The first feature is its humidity control function. Drying agents such as desiccants available until now perform only moisture absorption, and since their effect was lost after a short period of time, they needed to be replaced frequently. G-Breathe not only absorbs moisture, it has the characteristic that if the surrounding humidity increases, it inhales moisture, and if the surrounding humidity decreases, it exhales moisture. This enables the product to be used for long periods of time. Moreover, this characteristic means that once it is installed, equipment maintenance is unnecessary for a long period of time. Now let's look at actual measured results of these humidity control function characteristics. Tests were conducted under the following conditions. First, 2 boxes, cabinets, capable of intercepting about 14 liters of open air were prepared. Next, a postcard-sized G-Breathe sheet was affixed to a part of the door of one of the 2 boxes, the cabinet. The other box was left without a G-Breathe sheet. These boxes were then left for 2 weeks in the outdoors, and humidity changes in each cabinet were measured. Now let's look at the results of the hygrometric measurement test. First, the green line shows the outdoor humidity. As you can see, there was a lot of change in the humidity levels over the 2 weeks. Next, the blue line shows the humidity level results when G-Breathe was not installed. It's clear that the humidity levels inside the cabinet changed along with the humidity levels outdoors. Lastly, the red line indicates the humidity when G-Breathe has been installed. When the green line and the blue line are showing that the humidity is high, the G-Breathe is absorbing moisture so that the change in humidity is not large. When the green line and blue line are showing that the humidity is lower, the G-Breathe is releasing moisture. So while there is an increase in moisture, it does not result in the formation of condensation. In this way, G-Breathe releases moisture when the surrounding humidity is low, restoring its moisture absorbing functions, thus allowing it to maintain its performance for long-lasting effectiveness. The second feature is that you can choose from among a variety of sizes available the one that is most suited for your equipment needs. G-Breathe is prepared in large, medium, postcard, and calling card sizes. You can choose the sizes that are right for you, whether for a large cabinet to store electric power system equipment or small devices like an intercom. The third feature is a compact size that can be installed anywhere. G-Breathe is amazingly thin and light, so it can be affixed into the smallest of spaces, such as the inside of a cabinet door or in the chassis of a device. Even the largest sold G-Breathe product, the L size, is a mere 3 millimeters thick and weighs only 130 grams. With features such as these, G-Breathe has been widely received by many customers in Japan, with sales performance of over 1.3 million units installed in telecommunications equipment and 190,000 used in intercoms. Now to continue, I would like to introduce a demonstration of the moisture absorption of the condensation prevention sheet G-Breathe. Two boxes have been prepared like small rooms, each one with a dividing slit separating top and bottom, and a hygrometer is installed in each one. Humidified air is forced in through the bottom half of each box. The humidity inside the boxes is increased rapidly, generating condensation. Please understand that in order to demonstrate the effects more clearly, the situation is being reproduced here at a time lapse of 32 times speed. Now, when the humidity rises to about 85%, a G-Breathe sheet is put into the box on the left as you are facing the screen. The G-Breathe sheet is installed on the divider between the top and bottom sections so that the humidified air which flows from the lower section into the upper section of the box will pass through the G-Breathe sheet. Now please pay attention to the upper section of the box on the left. The condensation gradually disappears, and the numerical value indicated on the hygrometer has also fallen. Although the humidification process is also continued after this, you can see that G-Breathe maintains a constant humidity until it reaches absorbable application capacity. Next, we will introduce G-Breathe's desorption or moisture releasing capability. Two boxes, separated top and bottom as small rooms, are prepared in the same way as before. A hygrometer is installed in each small room, and the interior of the boxes are filled with dried air. In this state, a G-Breathe sheet, which has already absorbed a lot of moisture, is installed into the box on the left-hand side facing the screen, and dry air is sent in from the lower section. In a similar manner as before, the G-Breathe is installed on the divider in such a way that the air will pass through the sheet. Now please pay attention to the upper portion of the box on the left. Although the humidity in the other box does not show any change, you can see that in the upper section of the box on the left, the numerical value shown on the hygrometer goes up, and the G-Breathe is releasing moisture. These demonstrations show how G-Breathe is a highly significant product with breathing functions that adapt to the surrounding humidity conditions. If you have any questions or would be interested in learning more about this product, please kindly contact us at NTT Advanced Technology Corporation. Thank you very much.